0708 SP Authentic. I don't know if I can do 24 in one vid. It's 12:33. Try and get me on the time. Just hit the Rose rookie auto, so I could back that up with a Durant rookie auto. Pretty sick, alright, so got the big decoys. So that's what you're looking for, that's what you're getting in SP Authentic. Jamal Tinsley, Smith, David Lee, Jefferson, Brendan Roy, decoy. This could be a boring one to watch, kids. So if it's got a decoy, should I not bust it at all? Is that what we're saying? Authentic profiles. Nowitzki. They're unnumbered. Decoy me this. I'd like to find a 101 rookie autograph logo man card. Be nice. There's a Carmelo authentic profiles. I remember opening 06, 07 SP Authentic, and it was just fucking trash. Alright, so we've got a Wilson Chandler profiles. Still haven't hit a decent bass player. I'm thinking this might have to be 2 vids at the slow ass rate. I'm going, oh, I hope that's my hit, so I just cornered it. A decent base card of LeBron, Maggette and Bosch. Scrub. Boozer, Shaktus, Derrick Rose is banging around here somewhere. The auto, that's nice. Topps Treasury, check out the vid. Boozer, Canby, Kerr, Davis. 3 minutes, I don't even know where I'm up to in this box. Spencer Hawes. The amount of SPX autographs I have of that card is not funny. Does he even play basketball? Still no hits. Neve Stash. Luther Head. I don't think there's any short printers in this one, but all these packs seem to be upside down in this box. Why wouldn't they face like out that way? Searched. We've got a Bosch Authentic. They're nice looking cards. I remember from Authentic you should get the full set in one box too. Remember. Well, it's still no hit. We've got an AI Authentic. If any of you want these Authentics, let me know. Pay for shipping, and it's yours. Still no hit. Sean Williams Authentic. Still none. I don't think they have rookie cards in this. Like base rookies, all the rookies are hits. Still decoys. Stucky or Fennec. Kobe base. Base. Hey! That's the one. Unless it's a decoy. Gilbert Arenas. Another Deke. Billups Authentic. Plenty of time to spare, kids. It's the most boring 8 minutes of your life, I'm sure. And I apologise. Getting a lot of doubles here. I don't think I'm going to get a full set. How do I get more than one hit? I think you're only supposed to get one. Still, I'd like more than one. Alright. No, one hit. Oh, hang on. Dwayne Wade profiles. This hit better be bloody good, because this box wasn't cheap. I think we're going this way. So what do I got? What scrub is that? Jamario Davidson. Second round pick. Oof, that